Airbnb does look great, and we've talked about how it needs to be at its 52-week highs. Maybe got ahead of itself off of IPO, but really it's been lagging other travel, and it shouldn't. There's no reason why it should. It actually should outperform. So we've been saying it's only a matter of time before this starts moving, and today was a promising day to get it in the direction, and getting over 150 certainly technical.
It looked like it was starting to break out of this cup and handle a little bit. It has the same exact. I remember I was saying yesterday that I could pick a dozen tech stocks that has the same pattern.
Yeah.
And this one finally started to follow suit with all the other ones today. So it was just really good to see. I mean, right now it's actually, today it closed up 1.72%. So not like a crazy, blow your face off kind of day, but it was just promising to see that it broke up over this resistance, and it looks like it's going to continue up from here. I can't wait till their next earnings.
Yeah. Sean says Airbnb has a lot of bad press in the media, though. Doesn't change the fact of the demand of the company, the product it offers, and this is what we look for in companies. We're not looking for companies that everybody already figured out that this is awesome and that they're going to crush it and all this other stuff.
Yeah.
When you really, I'm going on 3 group trips. We got a trip to Brazil. There's a wedding. We got a trip to Deep Creek, Maryland, which will be in October. And then Vieques, Puerto Rico for a friend group outing. Nobody in the group is talking about a hotel. Not one person. And they're all 3 different groups, 10 plus people. And so these are the opportunities we've talked about. Find great companies at discount that have news or anything that sort of headwinds that we think are immaterial. And what are the headwinds? The headwinds are like cleaning costs. The headwinds are potentially not enough hosts. That doesn't sound like a headwind to me.
Yeah.
Right?
No.
Can't meet demand.
Right.
So I'm not sure. What else are the headwinds? You guys tell me what else they are, because there's not much by way of that, and a lot of damn tailwinds I could tell you about.
Yeah, I mean, can't meet demand can be detrimental, and it could force people to look for hotels or what have you. But I think what we are seeing, though, is just people trying to just find whatever they can. If they can't find the home that they wanted, they just go and try to find the next best thing.
Yeah.
It can be. I mean, we saw it be a problem for Peloton, but they ended up catching up to the demand itself. And I have no doubt that those who are leading Airbnb, I mean, the CEO is amazing. I have no doubt that they're going to be able to find people to rent their homes out and continue to keep up with demand. I don't think it's going to be too much of a problem for them.
I mean, if I'm Airbnb, the biggest thing I want to try to address and the biggest pain point is condos.
Yeah.
Because a lot of condos are preventing the homeowners from
that's true,
renting out their Airbnb.
Yeah.
And particularly in New York City. New York City, it's actually a lot of the buildings and property managers are saying, if you own your home, there has to be a level of home ownership, not just Airbnb, but rentals in general. A percentage of the building needs to be homeowners.
Yep.
Because the reason why is because homeowners are going to take care of their home more than renters, and certainly more than tourists are going to do who are there for a couple of days. And so I understand the concern, but if I was Airbnb, I'd be finding ways to incentivize these buildings and these property managers and figure out a way to address their concerns, because we know what they are and they're legitimate. And if they do that, that opens up a flood of market as far as what their issue is, which is demand. It opens up a ton of properties because a lot of people want to do that own condo units.
Yeah, I agree. And that has been a pain point for a lot of people. And I think there are people that live in condos that just don't want random guests in there all the time. So I do understand that. But there's going to be a way that they're going to be able to figure that out. Again, I just have no reason to believe that they're just not going to get the job done.
Yeah, for sure. They will. Great brand, great company. Guys, this is one that's been on our watch list. If you guys want to check out our free watch list, 5 free stocks every day before the market opens, we send it out. Go over to go into the description, and you too can get access to that free watch list. You'll get the newsletter, 5 stocks, or you can go to ownthechaos.com, click get a free watch list.